As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Gorgeous 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths now available in the secure gated subdivision of Canyon Gate at Park Lakes. This beautiful home features new laminate wood floors, high ceilings and fabulous open floor plan. Imagine your lifestyle not only with a great home, but all the amazing amenities: tennis courts, basketball pavilion, an Olympic-size pool, splash pad, clubhouse, playground, park walking trails and lakes. Easy access to BW 859 Wilson Road, centrally located to great shopping, dining, golf, and entertainment which surround this beautiful neighborhood. Perfect for the outdoor enthusiast. Perfect for the outdoor enthusiast, as Lake Houston is less than 15 minutes away, or you can hike and bike the nature trails at Eisenhower Park. Call to schedule a tour today.